Yo, what's up everyone? It's Your Name, and today we're diving deep into the world of AI with ChatGPT. But not just any AI, we're talking about your new secret weapon for learning, for studying, for basically anything you need a brain boost for. Did you know ChatGPT can be your 24/7 AI tutor? We're going to break down how to use it to solve math problems that have you stuck, summarize those super dense topics you just can't seem to wrap your head around, improve your writing, and even ace those homework assignments. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be dropping some hidden ChatGPT tricks that most people don't even know about. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of learning, hit that like button, smash subscribe so you don't miss out on any future AI hacks, and let's get started. Alright, so first things first, let's get you set up with ChatGPT. It's way easier than you might think. Just open up your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you use, and head over to chat.openai.com. If this is your first time here, you'll see an option to sign up. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. You can sign up with your Google account or just use your email. Once you're in, you'll see this clean, minimal chat box. This is where the magic happens. Think of it like texting your AI tutor. Got a question? Just type it in and hit enter. Let's try it out. Go ahead and type, explain Newton's laws in simple terms. See that? ChatGPT just broke down one of the fundamental laws of physics in a way that actually makes sense. It's almost instant. This is just a taste of what ChatGPT can do. Now let's really put ChatGPT to the test and see how it can help us with actual schoolwork. Stuck on a math problem? Don't sweat it. Just type it in like solve 2x plus 5 equals 15 and watch ChatGPT break it down step by step, showing you exactly how to get to the answer. No more staring blankly at equations, but it doesn't stop at math. Need to cram for that history test? Just ask ChatGPT to summarize World War II in 5 points. Boom! You've got the key takeaways in seconds. And get this, ChatGPT can even generate quizzes to test your knowledge. Just type, give me a 5-question quiz on the solar system. How cool is that? It's like having a study buddy available 24/7. Chapter 3. All right. Now let's take things up a notch with some next-level ChatGPT tricks. We're talking about essay writing help. Yeah, you heard that right. Need to write a 300-word essay on climate change. Just type it in, and ChatGPT will generate a solid starting point for you, but don't just copy and paste. Use it as a foundation and add your own thoughts and research. And if you've already written something, ChatGPT can help you polish it up. Just paste your text in and ask it to fix grammar and improve clarity. It's like having your own personal editor. Oh, and one more thing. Did you know ChatGPT can help you learn a new language? It's true. Type something like, translate this sentence into Spanish, and it'll do it right before your eyes. Chapter 4. Now, you're going to want to hold on to these ChatGPT goldmines, right? Saving your work is super easy. You can copy and paste the text directly into a Google Doc, a Notion page, or whatever you use to take notes. Want a faster way? Take a screenshot. It's quick and gets the job done. And for you power users out there are even browser extensions that let you export entire ChatGPT conversations with just a few clicks. No more losing those brilliant insights. Chapter 5. Once you're done with your AI study session, always remember to log out of ChatGPT. It's just a good security habit. Click on your profile icon and hit log out. And for an extra layer of privacy, close your browser window as well. So there you have it. We've just scratched the surface of what ChatGPT can do. It's your ultimate AI tutor, helping you crush math, conquer writing assignments, ace those quizzes, and even expand your language skills. Alright, so we've gone through a lot today, but the biggest takeaway here is that AI tools like ChatGPT are here to stay, and honestly, they can be absolute game changers when it comes to learning. It's like having this insanely powerful AI assistant in your pocket 24/7, ready to help you with whatever you need. But remember, it's just a tool. The real magic happens when you combine the power of AI with your own curiosity, creativity, and that drive to learn and explore. So keep experimenting, keep asking questions, and who knows what you might discover. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.